Hello guys, I'm back again to show you what I mean by crash secret. And this is it. I told you it's gonna spike, and I actually have to record this to show you that it's going to spike irrespective of what they are doing there. I showed you the example why it should spike. On the other video I told you the reasons based on it has oversold. Look at it has touched my 87 line, and here it has also oversold. It has touched my 87 line too. And why again, why so many people fail? I give you an example that so many people will enter into the trade when it will be buying. They will see that it has oversold. They will enter and to continue buying. This is the problem of most traders. Because of where? Because of what? They didn't know the trend of the market, the positioning of the market, the overall general market. What is the overall general market saying? If you should look at this now, you are going to see that the overall general market here is buying. It has a support down here to take it up. At this point, why I actually enter sell in this point is because I found out that in 4 hours there are so many rejections. If you could look down, if you could look below, you are going to see some of these rejection. Number one, let's call it these rejections, let's call it resistance. You can see this is also another resistance. You can see this is another resistance, and these are list of resistance which I put in the market there. Why I enter into the market is because it has oversold, and I checked the day one and I saw that it has so many rejections. I allow it to buy up to the point of the rejection before I put in for a sell. This is how you can be a professional and profitable trader. Moreover, I actually looked very well. It's not a guessing work. Actually, it's something you have to be sure of. You have to be very viable. You have to look very well. You have to make profits out of it. There is no guessing work here. You can see it even at this point it's still going to sell, fall and fall. Because of what? This my red line has also touching the second one inside of it, and once my red line touch the second one inside of it, the next thing you're going to see is spike. The market is just going to be spiking. You can see it tried to spike here, and it's still going to spike complete. It's just trying to play demo play there. I told you, once you touch my line there as it is buying, the next thing is to do what? Is to spike instantly. I'm showing you this, guys, to show you that there is no guessing work on this, and I want you all to be a professional trader and also a profitable trader also. So how do I mean? If you go to my channel, go to M4, you are going to see what I'm trying to explain to you. Then if you come to 15 minutes, you are still going to see what I'm trying to explain to you on 15 minutes. On 1 hour, you are going to see that there are no guessing work. You can see that this was to make it to go what, to make it do what, to make it go down. But you can see that the market didn't go down. Instead, it kept on going up. Why? Because there was no rejection. There was nothing there to take it up. Let us take this thing to this point to explain more to you why many traders fail. You can see this is a rejection point here where the market actually formed inverted hammer to make it to pointing, telling you that the market is going to do what, is going to sell with that inverted hammer. But if you could look below, I didn't see any though yeah, I saw some rejections here. These the rejections to make it go up at that point, but still yet it's rejected it. Why rejected it? Because there are no much, there are no major. What I mean by major, there are minor resistance and major resistance. Minor resistance occur few of the time, let me say 1 to 3 times. Then major resistance are resistance that occurred every time on the market. You will see them every time on the market. You can see why I actually entered there is because on this point there are so many rejections. There are more than 20 rejections, which show that it is a major resistance as of that level, and it is going to do what? It is going to shift down. It is going to go down selling. And this is the explanation which I gave to you, that the market itself is pointing to do what? It's pointing to go down dramatically. You can see it was actually $7 before, $7 profit, but now you can see it's $5 profit. This market you are seeing is still going to do what? It's going to give me a very huge spike that will make me say, yes, I've eaten this market to the point where I want it to be. I've shown it to you. This is one of the biggest secrets on crash. Don't enter crash when the overall general market is doing what? Is trying to buy. the overall general market is trying to buy, don't enter crash there. You can see when you see this sign trying to buy, you know that you don't enter market, you don't enter crash at that point. You enter crash where there is a resistance or there is a support pushing it up, buy or sell. And where you could sell, you trying to crash, you guys trying to catch spike on crash is where you see multiple rejections. And how can you see multiple rejections? Is either the market want to reverse, there is a reversal position from the higher time frame, or on the 4 hours or other time frame there are multiple rejections to show that at that level the market, there is every tendency that the market is going to spike as of that level. You get, and it has oversold is also another form to tell you that this market is going to pull down and is going to pull weight. I thank you very much, you all. Thank you all for watching my channel. God bless, and God bless you all. Thank you.